First, you go to 24sites.com, click Login. You'll see the overview page showing your orders, where you can add your personal information and, for example, change your password. And this is also where you'll have the full overview of your ongoing and completed orders. First, I want to create a new order. I click here and get to the order form. This is the order form where you can upload your slides and create a brief for the designers. First, you start by choosing the treatment type, redesign or brush up. If it's a mix, I would choose redesign. You can always describe it more thoroughly in the brief section. You choose the style you like. You can either choose a style here or you can click this one because your company probably has a style guideline that we have on file. So you do not need to upload anything here. For the add-ons, it's optional, but you can choose if you, for example, have an illustration that you want us to work on, or if you want us to redraw some of your slides. You put in the number of slides you have, and you set the delivery date. There's 3 options you can choose: I got time, average, or if your project is critical. The critical one is set to 24 hours, average 2 days, and then I got time would be 4 days. If you have a more specific time that you need it to be done, you can upload that in the brief section later. For example, if you got time, but you actually can wait longer than May 19th, you can specify that later. Same with critical. If there's a specific deadline you need regarding your time zone, please let us know in the brief. You upload your files, and in the brief is where you specify details for the designers. It could, for example, be that you need it tomorrow by 9 a.m. or that you want us to work on specific slides. When you think your brief is good, you start your order here. And I see it here in the overview. I can see the order number over here, and I can see the date I created it and the expected delivery over here. And I can see that the design status is open because the designers have not yet seen my order. While waiting for the design status to change, I can invite some team members over here in my team. I want to invite my colleague, and I want to invite him as admin, which means that you can see all orders uploaded on the platform and collaborate on all projects. If I assign manager, it means that you can only see your own projects and the projects that you're assigned to. Going back to my orders, I can see that the design status over here has changed and the order is waiting for my feedback. I click on the order number and I can see the slides that the designers has worked on. I can look at all the slides. If I want to, I can approve the slide, or I can make suggestions for changes. I do that by clicking and dragging on the slides and creating an annotation. I can do that on multiple slides if I want to. Here I want to change the color. If I want to give it general feedback, I can just drag over the whole slide and save it. I can also write a comment here and submit it. If I want to see my slides in PowerPoint, I can click here and download the deck directly, or I can improve and download the slides directly over here. That marks my order as done and download in step 5, and I can give specific feedback on what I'm happy with or what I think we should improve for next time. I can also write a comment here for more specific feedback for the designers. You can send feedback and download and get your presentations over here.